Hi guys, this is Fakhruddin from Fasttracks Jubilee. Today we have this 2013 Range Rover Vogue SE, a very fantastic car in its segment. But being it's a 9-year-old car, there are always wear and tear in the infotainment system, audio setup and much more. The customer inquired about fixing the infotainment system which was broken down due to the audio setup in the car. He wasn't satisfied with the pricing being very expensive and the process taking too long in the showroom. So he came all the way down to Fasttrack Car Care, and the technicians at Fasttrack gave him a very good and reasonable solution. The infotainment system is being upgraded with an alternate system which is more compatible and has multiple features. We are installing a subwoofer and amplifier for better sound quality and much more. It isn't everybody's piece of cake to be working on a 2013 Range Rover. It requires professionalism and a lot of experience. The wiring is being redone for a better output, for a completely new setup. Keep watching the video to see how a completely new infotainment system is being set up on this Range Rover.
Say